Hi friends, welcome all to Suvi Education. Today in this video we are going to see what is mole and how it is used in our daily life. Okay, this we study in our chemistry portions. What is mole? First of all, we should know that mole is not molecule. Okay, it is not the abbreviation or anything of mole or molecule. It is two different. Molecule in the sense the group of atoms bonded together. Okay, the group of atoms bonded together is a molecule, so don't confuse with this mole. So this is our Avogadro's number, so we can look into the glance of the detailed explanation of the mole. Okay, just an introduction. First of all, the definition of the mole is the mole is the unit of measurement. Okay, the mole is the unit of measurement for amount of substance, just an amount of substance in the international system of units. Okay, the mole is the unit of measurement for amount of substance in the international system of units. Okay, a mole of substance, that is a mole of substance or mole of particles is defined as 6.02 into 10 to the power 23, that is Avogadro's number particles, right? Okay, a mole of a substance or a mole of particles is defined as 6.02 into 10 to the power 23, and which may be atoms, molecules, ions or electrons. Okay, which may be atoms, molecules, ions or electrons. Clear? So this is mole. The mole is the unit of measurement for amount of substance, and it is defined as 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, and this is Avogadro's number, and we have the Avogadro's number, we have 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. This is that we have 23 in the sense we have 602 a hexahelion, that is there will be these many zeros. Okay, there will be these many zeros. So this is 602 hexahelion. So we can write in every places while calculating, we can write these many zeros and calculate. That's why they have written as 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. 23 zeros will be there. Okay, clear? And here, first of all, we should know what is mole and how it is used in our everyday life. And first of all, mole, a dozen of 12 things. That is, I will just give an example for you. In chemistry, the mole is the unit used to talk about atoms, right? The mole is the unit that is used to talk about atoms, right? It is similar to the other units also, and we use every day, right? We use every day. For example, you might walk into a local donut shop. Okay, you might walk into a local donut shop and order a dozen of donuts. Okay, you order a dozen of donuts. You will order a dozen. You'll order a dozen of donuts, and there will be 12 donuts. Okay, you are ordering. You are going to a local donut shop and order a donut. Okay, dozen of donuts. So in doing so, you know that you will be getting 12 donuts, right? And the clerk will be also, or the worker who is working there also might know that there will be 12 donuts, right, in a dozen. So that is the thing. A mole, that is A mole is a unit used to talk about atoms like same like a dozen. So a dozen has 12 things like that. A mole has 602 hexahelium, right? It has 602 hexahelium. So as it is difficult to write as this explanation like 0000 everything like hexahelium. So they have written it as 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. That is from here. Okay, just make a dot here and count from here. So you'll be getting 23 zeros. Okay, you'll be getting from here, you will be getting 23 zeros. So you have written 10 to the power 23. This is how we got the Avogadro's number. Clear? By definition, see here, 1 mole of carbon 12 has 12 grams. 12 grams. Okay. 1 mole of carbon 12 has 12 grams and it contains 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 of carbon atoms. Is it clear? 1 mole of the carbon 12 has 12 grams and 6 this contains 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 of carbon atom. So this is what mole, and in our daily life how we use mole. Okay, a dozen that has 12 things. Clear? A duck nut, it will be having 12 duck nut in a dozen. Like that, a mole, it has 602 hexahelium. Clear? So these kind of questions are asked in all our school books, 10th, 12th. The mole is been asked in our chemistry portions and also in our college life. So look to it. It will be very useful for you. What is a mole and the intro of the mole. Okay. Thank you friends for watching my channel. Please do subscribe for new videos.